Let's talk about something we all kind of dread: legal documents. That dense, confusing world of contracts and notices. But what if you had an AI co-pilot to help you navigate it all? Well, that's exactly what we're going to dive into.
Yeah, I mean, who hasn't, right? You get this document and it's just pages of jargon. Your head starts spinning. And the stress isn't just reading the words, it's the weight of it all. You're wondering, what are my rights here? What am I actually agreeing to? It's seriously stressful.
So to really see how this works, let's put ourselves in someone else's shoes. We're going to follow the story of a small shop owner. He's just been handed a legal complaint, and honestly, he is completely lost. Like most of us would be, he's looking at this thing and it might as well be in another language. So here he is, staring at this legal maze. It's a wall of technical terms and confusing phrases. And you know the worst part? The clock is ticking. He has to figure out what his obligations are, what his rights are, and he has to do it fast. This is that moment of pure panic, and it's where our story really kicks off.
Okay, so he's got this document he can't make heads or tails of, but he also has something else, a powerful new tool. And even though the problem seems huge, this tool is built for one thing and one thing only, to bring clarity.
And this is it. The AI co-pilot arrives. I want you to think of it like having a super smart expert sitting right there with you, ready to cut through all that legal fog and show you exactly where to go.
Introducing Legally Simple, a cutting-edge web-based platform designed to scan and analyze legal documents with precision, transforming complex legal language into clear, accessible insights.
And getting started? It could not be simpler. It's literally as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. He just pulls out his phone and snaps pictures of the document. That's it. Step 2. He uploads them, and the AI gets to work. And Step 3. He gets clarity. In just a few moments, all that chaos starts making sense.
After the analysis is complete, simply click the Explore Library button to access your collection of analyzed documents. Within the library, each file is neatly organized. Select any document to instantly view its refined, polished insights.
All right, so that sounds almost too easy, doesn't it? What's the magic that's happening behind the scenes? How does a bunch of photos turn into a full legal breakdown? Let's pop the hood and see how this thing actually thinks. So how does it all happen? Well, the secret is that it's not just one AI doing one single thing. No, it's way more sophisticated than that. It's running a whole bunch of different analyses all at the same time to give you the complete picture.
Okay, so once the photos are turned into text, that's the techie OCR part, the system does something brilliant. It's like it sends the document to a whole team of different AI specialists at the same time. You've got one AI that's an expert summarizer, another one is your risk assessor, looking for trouble spots, a third one knows all the related laws, and you've even got AIs finding similar cases and suggesting negotiation points. They're all working in parallel, which is why you get such a deep, comprehensive analysis back so incredibly fast.
Now you're viewing the behind-the-scenes mechanism, an outlined top-layer flow diagram that illustrates how processing and execution occur within the tech stack. Take a moment to pause and explore the flow if you'd like a deeper understanding.
And the very first thing you see is this amazing summary. It's not just another giant wall of text. The AI actually breaks it all down for you. It pulls out the key facts, tells you exactly what your obligations are, what your rights are, and, this is a big one, it flags any deadlines you absolutely need to know about. Instantly, the chaos is organized. But it doesn't stop there. It gets even smarter. The AI starts playing out what-if scenarios. It's like it's trying to predict the future based on what's in the document. This helps our shop owner see what could happen down the road, to basically see around corners before he even gets there. Okay, so the big picture is starting to make sense. That's a huge step. But we all know the devil is in the details, right? So what happens when you have a really specific question? A summary is fantastic, but our shop owner is probably thinking, okay, that's great, but what's my exact deadline? He doesn't need a summary for that. He needs a straight answer. And that is where things get really interactive.
This screen demonstrates how to use the integrated chatbot designed to answer questions specific to the scanned document currently in view. Its functionality is clearly showcased, offering an engaging and highly interactive experience. Each document has its own context, so questions from one document cannot be asked within another.
That's a game changer. And that's what we mean by context-aware. It's so important. The chatbot's entire world is just the document you gave it. It doesn't know anything else. And believe me, that's a good thing. It means you're not getting generic advice. Every single answer is 100% tailored to your specific situation.
Okay, understanding is one thing. That's a huge relief. But true confidence? That comes from knowing what to do next. So let's look at how this tool takes you from just getting it to actually being ready to take action. Check this out. This is the negotiation toolkit. It doesn't just point to a bad clause and say, hey, this part's not great. No way. It actually suggests how to fix it. It'll take some dense, unfavorable legal speak and offer up clear, revised wording that actually protects our shop owner. This isn't just analysis anymore. This is a strategy.
And what if you need to do a little more homework? The Similar Cases feature is an absolute lifesaver. Instead of you having to search through endless legal databases, the AI finds cases that are actually relevant to your situation. And for each one, it gives you a quick summary and, this is the best part, tells you why it matters to you. Think about the hours of research that saves.
And then there's everyone's favorite part, filling out forms. Ugh, the anxiety of putting the wrong thing in the wrong box is real. Well, the AI Form Fill feature takes that fear away. You upload the blank form, and the AI fills it out with realistic example data, basically showing you a perfect template of how to do it right. No more guesswork, no more fear of making a simple mistake that could cost you big time.
So let's just trace his whole journey, right? He starts out totally confused, staring at this legal complaint. Then, he gets clarity in minutes after uploading it. He interacts with a chatbot to get his specific questions answered. Then, he feels empowered, using the toolkit to prepare his response. And where does he end up? Confident, ready to take action. It's a complete transformation.
And that's really the heart of it all, isn't it? That transformation. This is about so much more than just a fancy piece of tech reading a document. It's about changing how someone feels, taking them from a place of fear and confusion to a place of clarity and real empowerment.
So, the last question is pretty simple, and it's for you. Now that you know a tool like this exists, one that can slice right through all that complexity, are you ready to finally take control of your legal documents?